What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share with you a piece of content that I stumbled on this morning that I think has a ton of value. And I'm sharing this not only for couples planning their wedding, but for DJs, because I think it's a mindset thing. And I think that we all rise together when we all think and share a lot of the same foundational principles in terms of business, operating, and professionalism. And I wanted to create a quick video sharing this because in this piece of content that was released as an Instagram reel earlier today, Valentina, who's one of my extended family members at SCE, and I know we have a big tribe, but Val is not only a friend, she's just someone I have so much respect and admiration for as a performer, as a person, as a mother, and as a life partner for SCE's very own Jeff Scott Gould, who's one of my closest friends on this planet. She shared a piece of content today out of frustration, and I think it was so tasteful and valuable that I wanted to record a video here to not just co-sign it, but to share it with the people that are connected to my channel. I want to invite you to connect with Val if you're not already following her and supporting her. And I'm going to put her information on Gram in the description of this video. So make sure you go under there, tap that link at some point, and just support her life, her hustle, and the cool things that she has going on. So the point of this video is to call attention to this reel that she released earlier today, where she gives couples 3 pieces of advice. Essentially, do your homework on the people that you are considering for your day, because it really matters. And I'm going to share the video here. The first thing she does, she talks about mixing and how it's important and how a lot of DJs aren't able to mix properly, don't really understand the simple basics of our culture, and how that is something that everyone should look for when hiring their wedding entertainment, especially if they're looking for a party. And I couldn't agree with this more. Here is what Val had to say.
Things you need to know before you book your wedding DJ. 1, can they actually mix? So many DJs claim to be able to do this. Every professional DJ should have a mix within their repertoire to send to their client. Number 2, are they good at programming? Programming is the art of curating a vibe, knowing what to play, when to play, and understanding who's in front of you and how to navigate the energy. Google the entertainer you are looking at. That DJ's reviews will be able to tell you exactly how good they are at programming.
I love that Val talked about programming, because I feel that programming is just as important as the skill of mixing. And it's something that a lot of people assume DJs can do. Now, you can put a ton of time into building your crates, into managing your music, into studying the craft, but programming is something that I think you have to learn by doing this over time. And the longer you do this, the better you get at it. And I feel that the art form of programming music and creating a vibe and getting people to dance and knowing what to play and when to play it and how to play it to get people to respond is everything. And it's such an important skill in this industry. And it's something that I think I need to share more about on this channel. So I so get behind what she says with regards to programming and how it is important when planning a wedding. I just had to share it here. Now, number 3, and this is what pushed it over the edge for me in terms of I have to share this not only on my Instagram story, but I wanted to record a video about this reel that she shared. It's about DJs who feel that they have to overcompensate by providing quote unquote value, by putting together packages loaded with services for a fraction of what they might be worth. And I understand that growing up in this business and earning your space in this industry takes time. It takes a lot of hard work, and there's a right way and a wrong way to do things. I know that we at SCE experience a number of companies, some of which have great accolades and have names that a lot of people follow. But when we see some of the proposals for what people are including just to get booked, it almost doesn't make sense. It's not only selling themselves short, but it's really harming our industry. And that's why I really had to get behind this, because I've always been a supporter of a la carte pricing. If you haven't seen my video of why I think packaging suck, check out this video right over here. And I believe that a la carte services are really the way to position your company for opportunity, not only to be profitable and to make money, but to really sculpt an experience around the vision of the people that are there, as long as it makes sense. Now, I understand at different points of your career, you might have to do things maybe for less than what you might be able to get in the future. And I understand there's a path for everyone in this business. But if you're a DJ watching this and you find that you're stuffing your services into a package just to get booked, of you're selling yourself short, you're selling your business short, and you're really selling the industry short, because I feel that we all rise up and grow together when we're all doing the right thing. And that's kind of the whole purpose of me starting this channel. It's really to share my experiences, to help people that are in this industry looking to grow, looking to do bigger things, looking to get to the next level based on my own real deal, real life experiences as a DJ, as a business owner, and someone that's been in this business for a while. Resources like this never existed when I was coming up, and a lot of people were not willing to share what they were struggling with or what they have encountered publicly with people that they don't even know. And I hope you guys can all get behind that. So this is what she had to say about bundling services.
Finally, number 3, more is not more. In fact, oftentimes you have DJs who are putting so much into one package. They are including uplighting and photo booths, sometimes even photography. Insanity. But they're doing this, why? Because they're compensating for what they don't have. The lack of talent, the lack of skills, all of those things they're trying to compensate with by bringing you all of these added benefits. Additional wedding services should always be an a la carte option.
The call to action of this video is, do you agree? Do you not agree? Throw it in the comments down below. And if you're not yet supporting and following Valentina, my dear friend, our extended family at SCE, I'd love to take this opportunity to invite you to do so. Make sure you crush the link in the description underneath this video and show some love to Val and her reel right here today. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video shed some light and perspective for you and your business. Thanks for watching.